Hello boys and girls, so today we're going to be ordering numbers again, and this time we're going to be doing it from largest to smallest. So we're going to be putting the largest number first, then the middle number, and then the smallest number last this time. So on Friday we were doing from smallest to largest, but today we're doing from largest to smallest. And again, there's two ways we can do this. We can do this by looking at the tens and ones, or we can do it by looking at our number square here, which I've got in front of me to show you. So I'm going to show you both ways. So the first way that I'll show you, we'll be using this number square. So we'll start with three numbers. We're going to do 46, 14, and 27. So I want to order these numbers from biggest to smallest. You might be able to just look at those numbers and do that straight away. But if you want to use the number square to help you, that's fine. So if I'm going to use the number square, I've got to circle the numbers on my number square first. So I've got 46, and then I want to circle 14, and then I want to circle 27. Okay, now remember, the largest number, that's the one we're looking for first, that comes nearest the bottom of the number square, because we count from smallest to largest, going from top to bottom. So my largest number is nearest the bottom, so it's 46. That is the largest number. So I write that one down first. Then my middle number is going to be in the middle, 27. And then my smallest number is going to be 14, which is at the top. So the largest number comes nearest the bottom on your number square, and the smallest number comes nearest the top. So I've put them in order from largest to smallest. Right, we're going to have a look at a way without using the number square. So we'll do 12, 43, and 22. So this time I'm just going to look at the tens and ones. So remember, I write above the first number, the first digit for my tens, and an O above the second digit because that's my ones. Tens, ones, tens, ones. And we always start by looking at the tens. So I'm just going to underline those tens, that first digit in those numbers. So remember, I'm looking for the largest number first this time. So I'm looking for the largest 10. Let's have a think. Is the largest 10 a 1, a 4, or 2 tens? Which is the largest number? Well, it's 4. So the largest 10 is 4 tens. So the largest number is 43. So I write that one first. And cross it out because I've just used it. I don't need it anymore. Now I'm looking for the largest number that I've got left. And the numbers that I have left, the digits that I have left is 1 10 and 2 tens. So which is bigger, 1 or 2? Well, it's 2. So 22 is the biggest number now. So I write that one down. And so the smallest number must be 12 because that's our number left. I write that one down. So I've got my numbers in order from largest to smallest, 43, 22, and 12. Right, I'm going to do one more example. So we'll have 24, 20, and 29. Okay, so again, we're going to be looking at the tens and ones. So I'm going to write them above, because this is my other method to find the answer. Got all my tens and ones. So remember, first of all, we look at the tens. So I'm going to underline those tens. So we've got 2 tens, 2 tens, and 2 tens. So they're all the same. So that isn't going to help me find the answer because I can't find the biggest number because they're all the same. So now I have to go and look at the ones. So I'll just circle those ones for us. Okay, these are different. So this is going to be helpful for me to find the biggest one. I've got 4 ones, 0 ones, and 9 ones. So you've got to think which number is the biggest because we're going to find the largest number first. Is it 4, 0, or 9? Well, we know that it's 9. So my largest number is 29. So I write that down and cross it out. Excellent. Now I've got 2 numbers left. One of them has 4 digits and one of them has 0. Which number is bigger, 4 or 0? Well, 0 is the smallest number, so it's got to be 4. 24. I've got to write the whole number down. Cross that one out. And the only number that we've got left, so it must be the smallest number, so it comes last in our sequence, that is 20. Write down 20 and cross it out. So I've put them in order from largest to smallest. Largest one first, smallest one last, 29, 24, and then 20 last.